not wound up very tight from where he got all that slack in it.
Well, he was stuck way out there. Your phone turned off. Your phone turned off. I turned it back on, but it turned off.
Alright, now pull.
He was way out there, but the camera shut off. Or the phone shut off, so we're recording from right here.
That's all you got.
Just wrap it around one of those small trees.
Hey,
Who gives a fuck?
chuck it across and run that way and get it on one of them.
Here, I can walk across there, I think.
I ain't so. Don't watch it.
Yeah, you can throw it. Nice. Alright.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Hey, can you zoom?
You're drowning, I'd hurry up.
Yes. He's going now. You need it anymore? Hey, Mike.